student, this is Kanak Rastogi. I am your science teacher. Today I will start chapter number 3, skeletal and muscular system. मस्कुलर सिस्टम की मैं आपको थर्ड वीडियो साइन करने जा रही हूँ. लेट्स स्टार्ट. चैप्टर नंबर मूवमेंट्स इन आवर बॉडी. हमारे बॉडी में मूवमेंट्स कैसे होता है? द वे वी मूव. The human body is an amazing machine. Did you know that there are about 640 muscles, 206 bones and nearly 230 joints in our body? ये आपको लर्न रखना है, रिमेंबर रखना है. 640 muscles, 206 bones. When we walk, we use nearly 200 muscles and more than 100 bones. Movements in our body are the result of coordination between our muscles, bones, joints and supporting parts. Our movements can be involuntary or voluntary. Voluntary movements that we can control, such as walking, lifting, chewing and talking. Our voluntary movements, involuntary movements, these movements that we cannot control, such as the beating of the heart, the expansion and contraction of the lungs and the movement of food along the digestive tract, are involuntary movements. Let's look at how we move. How do we move? Look at this spring. When we compress it, it brings the two wooden planks attached to it closer. Our muscles work in a somewhat similar manner. Like two spring muscles work by being compressed. The biceps muscle attached to the bones of the arm compresses or contracts. This pulls the bones closer together, moving the arm up so that it bends at the elbow joint. One important point to remember is that our muscles work only by pulling in one direction. They cannot push. So how do we straighten the arm again? The only possible way is for another muscle to pull it back. In this case, the triceps muscle does the work. It contracts and brings about the reverse movement of the arm. Many muscles in the body work in pairs. One contracts as the other relaxes. While one contracts to pull, the other one relaxes. When the second muscle pulls the bone the other way, the first one relaxes. This teamwork of muscles, bones and joints enables us to move. Supporting parts in movement. There are some more supporting parts of our body that help in movement. Let's learn about them. Muscles are not attached to the bones directly. There are strong stretchy bands which join muscles to bones. These are called tendons. There are tough fibrous bands called ligaments joining two bones at joints. They allow joints to move in the right direction and make sure that they don't move too far in the wrong direction. Let's look at one more supporting part, but before that, touch and feel your nose and ears are the flexible parts of your nose and ears, bone or muscle. In fact, they are neither These stiff yet flexible parts are made up of cartilage. Cartilage is not as hard and rigid as bone, but it is stiffer and less flexible than muscle. Cartilage is also found at the ends of bones in the region of joints. It provides traction and shock absorption to the bones